Hi there, Ivica here. My new video course and book is based on a new methodology of new methodology of learning, of teaching and learning. That new methodology is learning or teaching as a web application is on the moving assembly line as car production. In the same kind, I produce a web application. This concretely course is AngularJS, PHP, MySQL, moving assembly line school. In the beginning of the course, in the book, I said the author's recommendation to complete beginners is go ahead leaf by leaf, as in the book. Here would be as in a video course. In part 1, you will acquire an overview of the entire moving assembly line. It's going to be an experience of out-of-box, a glance on the production real life, a ready-for-use product. Part 1 is forest. In part 1, you are stacking boilerplates. Part 2 is a 3x3. Part 2, you are deep learning, deep understanding, programming every boilerplate. In part 3, you make a design. In Appendix 1, you will deploy the final product on the internet. At the end of this course, you will know to make a web application. The author is using these synonyms of the exact name of our final product. SPA, single page application. AngularJS, PHP, MySQL web application. News web application. AngularJS, PHP, MySQL framework. AngularJS, PHP, MySQL CMS. It is first text in my new books and in video course. And with this video, I just started a new video course, new YouTube free course named I will repeat, AngularJS, PHP, MySQL Moving Assembly Line School. We will look video by video web application growing step by step. In the first part 1, we use boilerplate. It is copy-paste script. It means that total beginners don't need write code. Only look at the complete moving assembly line and introduce yourself in part what we have in one web application, concretely single page application. And in a second part, learners will deep learning every boilerplate what we use in production line. Thank you for watching, and see you.